Did you know that depending on the country, the average woman may have one lifetime partner, or more than 10? And in some places, over 90% of women marry, while in others, marriage rates are rapidly falling. Today, we're breaking down which countries have the most married women and which have the lowest levels of promiscuity. These stats come from global surveys including the UN, OECD, and international studies on average lifetime partners. And the results are pretty surprising because cultural values, religion, and tradition play huge roles in shaping women's relationships. Let's start with places where marriage is still nearly universal for women. Number 1, South Asia. Countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal have some of the highest marriage rates on the planet. In these areas, around 90–95% of women marry at some point in their lives. Cultural expectations, family involvement, and strong traditions keep marriage extremely common. Number 2, the Middle East. Countries such as Iran, Egypt, Jordan, and Saudi Arabia also report very high rates of marriage for women. Most women in these regions marry in their early to mid-20s, and long-term singlehood is very rare. Number 3, Sub-Saharan Africa. In places like Niger, Mali, and Chad, marriage rates are also extremely high, sometimes even higher than Asia, though age at marriage tends to be younger than the world average. In contrast, Western countries, the US, Canada, the UK, much of Europe, have much lower marriage rates, higher divorce rates, and a growing number of lifelong single women. Promiscuity is measured in studies by average number of lifetime sexual partners. And globally, the countries with the lowest reported numbers all come from very conservative cultures. Here are the regions with the lowest averages. 1. India, around 3 lifetime partners. Reports consistently place India at the bottom due to cultural emphasis on marriage and conservative dating norms. 2. China, around 3 partners. Traditional values and later dating ages contribute to low numbers. 3. Vietnam, around 3.2 partners. 4. Indonesia, around 5 partners, another country with very conservative dating and marriage expectations. 5. Turkey and Middle Eastern countries. Women typically report 1 to 3 lifetime partners, and many surveys show that premarital sex is uncommon or underreported. These countries consistently show some of the lowest averages worldwide. To compare, here are countries with the highest reported numbers: Australia, New Zealand, UK, Germany, Scandinavia. Averages range from 10 to 14 partners, depending on the study. These cultures have more casual dating, later marriages, and higher acceptance of sexuality. United States, the US tends to fall in the 6 to 8 partner range for women, depending on the age group. These differences show how strongly culture shapes dating and sexual behavior. So, where are women most likely to marry and have fewer lifetime partners? Answer: South Asia, the Middle East, East Asia, Southeast Asia. And where do women have the most partners and the lowest marriage rates? Northern Europe, Australia, New Zealand, North America. Whether you agree with these patterns or not, one thing is clear: culture, family, religion, and society have a massive impact on women's marriage choices and relationship behaviors worldwide.